Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. You are watching the channel Let's Learn with Sidra Shakir. Hope you all are fine and enjoying happy life. Today we are going to discuss Class 5 Chapter 2 Adverbs, Degree, Frequency, Negation and Interrogative. You know, an adjective qualifies a noun, whereas an adverb qualifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. So let's move to today's topic. The topic is adverbs of degree, frequency, negation, and interrogative. Firstly, we are discussing adverbs of degree or adverbs of extent. Previously we discussed emphasizing adjective describe a noun. Emphasizing adjective noun को describe करते हैं, whereas adverbs of degree describe verb, adjective और another adverb. जबकि adverb of degree verb को, adjective को, खुद adverb को describe करते हैं. Check this example. These shoes are too big for you. The adverb to tell us how big the shoes are. Adverb to हमें बताता है कि shoes कितने बड़े हैं. The adverb to therefore qualifies the adjective big. Second example, Kiran did very well in the examination. The adverb very tells how well Kiran did in the examination. Adverb very बताता है कि किरण ने एग्ज़ाम में कितना अच्छा किया. The adverb very therefore qualifies the adverb well. Adverb very adverb well को qualify करता है. Now third example, he really liked the song. The adverb really therefore qualifies a verb. समझ आ गया होगा कि adverb of frequency verb, adverb और adjective को qualify करती है. Now open page number 4 of your book and read question first. Pick out the adverbs of degree from the following sentences. Adverb of degree को pick out कीजिए. Number 1 sentence. The old lady was almost blind and could hardly walk. Almost and hardly are adverb of degree. Number 2 sentence. The news of her mother's illness upset Vajiaz greatly. Greatly is an adverb of degree. Number 3 now. I absolutely hate traveling and am completely happy staying at home, said Komal. Absolutely and completely are adverbs of degree. Number 4. Danish is far more interested in physics than the chemistry. Far is adverbs of degree. Number 5. Read the question very carefully before you start writing. Very is an adverb of degree. Now number 6. The sun had nearly set when we reached home. Nearly is adverb of degree in number 6. Number 7. Some modern trains can travel incredibly fast. Incredibly is adverb of degree. Number 8 now. The judges were utterly amazed at the performance of the young dancer. Utterly is an adverb of degree. Number 9. This chair is extremely comfortable and surprisingly cheap. Extremely and surprisingly are adverbs of degree. Number 10 now. The bitterly cold winds have killed all the flowers. Bitterly is adverb of degree in the sentence. Number 11. The road was too narrow for a car. Too is an adverb of degree. Now number 12. He was so frightened that he did not know what to do. So is here is an adverb of degree. Open page number 11. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs which tell us how often or frequently something happens or is done are known as adverbs of frequency. Adverbs जो हमें बताते हैं कि कितनी बार या कसरत से काम हुआ है या किया गया है, उसके लिए जो वर्ड इस्तेमाल होता है उसे हम एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी कहते हैं. Look at the example. असलम always comes late. असलम हमेशा देर से आता है. So always is here adverb of frequency. Always हमें बताता है कि how often Aslam comes late. Do not confuse an adverb of time with an adverb of frequency. An adverb of time answers the question when. An adverb of frequency answers the question how often. स्टूडेंट्स एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम और एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी में कंफ्यूज मत होना. एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम आंसर देता है व्हेन का, मीन्स आपका काम कब हुआ, और एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी आंसर देता है हाउ ऑफन, मीन्स कितनी बार हुआ. पिक आउट द एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम एंड एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ टाइम और एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी को पिक आउट कीजिए. यू मस्ट एक्सरसाइज डेली टू कीप फिट, says our PTI teacher. Daily is here adverb of frequency. Number 2, Roma is never happy and she continuously complains about others. Never and continuously are adverb of frequency. Never say die really means always hope for the best. Never and always are adverbs of frequency. 4, sometimes it is better to keep quiet and listen to what others have to say. Times is adverb of frequency. People rarely listen to the radio nowadays. Is adverb of frequency. Nowadays is adverb of time. 6 now. Our club is very active and we play in various tournaments regularly. Regularly is adverb of frequency. Now, the guards have been repeatedly told to lock the doors and close the windows when nobody is at home. Repeatedly is adverb of frequency. Number 8 now. Have you ever heard such a story before? Here is adverb of frequency. Before is adverb of time. Number 9. We have music classes twice a week. This is adverb of frequency. Number 10 now. My father usually goes for a walk in the park. Usually is adverb of frequency. Thank you for watching.